So, how to heal a broken heart with self-love? I didn't see it coming. One day, everything felt whole. The next, I was shattered. Heartbreak has a way of making the world go silent. The songs stop sounding the same. The days blur together. You search for answers in the silence they left behind, but all you find is pain. I tried to fix it by distracting myself, scrolling, working, pretending. But every time I was alone, the ache came back louder. And then, one day, you breathe sigh now. In memory of this truth, I stopped asking why they left and started asking why I abandoned myself. That's where healing began. I stopped waiting for closure from them. I gave myself permission to feel everything, the sadness, the anger, the longing. I let the tears come, and when they did, I didn't apologize. I started doing the little things again, making my bed, taking walks without my phone, looking in the mirror and saying, I am enough, even when I feel broken. I wrote letters I never sent. I forgave myself for the red flags I ignored. I replaced "what did I do wrong" with "what do I deserve next?" And slowly, my heart didn't just heal, it grew. Self-love isn't bubble baths and affirmations. It's doing the hard work of choosing yourself again and again, even on the days it hurts, especially on the days it hurts. I thought I needed them to feel whole, but now I see I was always the one I was waiting for.